You guys, I made it to the church and I feel like I'm so overdressed. This is a very laid back church. People are wearing jeans, shorts, sneakers. Yeah, I'm getting overwhelmed because I don't like meeting new people and stuff. It gives me anxiety, so I'm literally trying to give myself a pep talk to get out the car. This is yeah, I think this is one of the bad or downside of working from home and always being like by yourself, that when you have to like talk to people and meet people, it gives me a little bit of anxiety. Like my heart is racing so fast and I don't know why I'm so nervous. But anyway, I'm gonna finish my little Starbucks and I'm gonna walk in this church. You know, nobody's checking for me, you know. I'm just going to worship, so here we go. Okay, you guys, I'm so excited because I decided to get factor meal, and these are chef crafted meals that all you do is heat up and eat. And since you guys know I'm in my like fitness journey, I get tired of cooking the same thing over and over again, or meal prepping and all that stuff. So I decided to get factor meal. I used to do HelloFresh all the time, but with HelloFresh you have to cook the food, and I just, you know, sometimes I don't feel like cooking. So I did some research. I saw a few YouTube videos and decided to do factor meal. So let's see everything that I got. So it comes with a big ice pack, and I got to pick two wellness shot. This one is the green one is spinach, kale, celery, lemon, and then this one is lemon, apple, ginger, honey, turmeric, and black pepper. So I got those two. And I got 8 meals. Creamy Parmesan chicken, stuffed pepper beef casserole. Which one's this one? Shredded chicken taco bowl. Ooh, that sounds good. Creamy dill shrimp pasta. And all these are perfectly proportioned and weighted and all that stuff. Chipotle spicy potato and pepper bowl. Oh, that sounds good. And then this one's loaded bacon shredded chicken. And then the last two, this one is roasted garlic chicken, and then herb chicken thighs with balsamic mushroom. So I got 8 of those. So lunch and dinner basically. And right now it's 11:30, so I think I'm gonna do this Chipotle spice potato and pepper bowl. That sounds really, really good. Microwave it on high for 2 minutes. So let's poke it. So in 2 minutes, I'll have a fully cooked meal. So that's awesome. Let's go ahead and put it in the microwave. Yeah, and don't mind the mess. I'm getting ready to clean up. So this one is 600 calories. So let's see. This one is 530, 480, 420, 700. So I'm gonna divide them up by the higher calories, and the higher calories is probably gonna be my dinner, and the smaller calories is gonna be my lunch, I think. Okay, you guys. So this is the way it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and put the beans in here. I'm thinking of this like an adult Lunchable, basically. Put the little chips in there. Just mix everything up. This is my meal after the gym. So let's go ahead and try this bowl. It looks really good. Let's see. Wow, that's really good. Oh, it's definitely spicy. I'm thinking I don't know if it's the sauce, but there's something spicy in here. Ooh, it is, I think, a spicy taco bowl. but it's really good. Oh, oh yeah. This is perfect. You just pop it in the microwave for 2 minutes and you have a whole meal. Yeah, I love it. I love how it says fitness starts with food, which it really does. I love this. So now I don't really have to worry about like meal prepping and kind of calories and all that stuff, because this is already proportioned out perfectly for somebody that wants to watch what they're eating. If you're interested, I'll see if I can find a discount code or something down below, because I paid with this for my own with my own money. But this is really good. Perfect size for lunch. All right. I'm gonna finish this. Then I'm gonna get ready to go to the thrift store. I haven't been thrifting in a long time, and now that's spring, summer, I know they probably got some cute stuff out. So we're gonna go thrifting today. So I'll see you in a little bit. All right, I found these white shorts. Super cute. I don't have the right underwear, but it looks really good. Okay, you guys, so I found these shorts. They're so cute, right? I could wear them just like this with some heels and a plain top and a cute little belt. Or I was thinking of, hopefully I don't get copyrighted, but I was thinking to get them tailored a little bit, just to show a little bit more leg. Not too short, still keeping it classy, but it gives a whole different vibe if I go a little bit higher. But either way, these are super cute. I could definitely dress these up and have like a high fashion moment. So I'm gonna be getting these as well. All right, so the next thing I found was this super cute Old Navy dress with pockets. It's like a baby doll style. And if you guys don't know me, I love dresses for the summer because it's just lightweight and very, easy to put on and style. It was such a cute outfit. I think I paid like $5 for this. This one, I was thinking of wearing this more for like a church service. This with some wedges, of course, not the white shirt underneath it. I'll probably wear like a little jacket or something. And then I added this belt. And the next thing is this cute like sports skirt. Like I said, I've been in my gym bag and I'm probably going to get into like pickleball and all this other stuff, tennis. So I got this skirt to go do those type of workouts. All right, you guys. So I forgot that Jenee Naylor's collection with Target was dropping. So I rushed my way to my nearest Target. And you guys, they were stocked up, but all the sizes for us curvy women were basically gone. So I'm just basically showing you what my Target had. They had the pinstripe dress, which is super cute. And also this black skirt with some little ruffling on the side. And I wanted, like I said, I wanted to try some of the stuff on, but they didn't have my sizes. So I'm just showing you what my Target had. They had this super cute crochet shorts. I'm not sure if it had a matching top or not. This super cute, vibrant orange dress, perfect for like a vacation. This denim outfit, I wanted this outfit so bad, but the jeans, there go the jeans right here. They were sold out. The corset was sold out. Everything was sold out. The denim dress, super cute. They were sold out as well. And then after that, I kept looking around to see what else they had. This white outfit with the little corset top, I wanted this outfit so bad, but of course it was sold out in my size. The girls went in for Jenee, okay? This corset, these bottoms, everything was pretty much gone. And of course I checked the website target.com and they were gone. Hopefully they do a restock. The white set with this little top right here and the shorts, gone. And that set also comes in black as well. And the shorts are so cute. Like, oh, I was so mad that everything was sold out. I actually ended up getting this black shirt. That's probably the only thing that I was able to grab in my size. This is such a cute shirt. I love the way the cutout was, you know, in the back. So I ended up getting that. They also had this whole entire set, but I wasn't, I don't think it was in my size either. And they had the dress in black. They also had this crochet or whatever, this like mesh outfit, but they weren't really my colors. I don't really wear these type of colors, but they had the shirt and the skirt, and then on the other side they had the red dress and the red top. And to be honest, on camera it's coming out as orange, but they're calling it a red, so it's like a red orange. And then they had this super cute like zebra print dress, and this crochet brown outfit was so cute. I was debating on getting it. I think they did have my size, but I was like, no, I don't really need it, so I left that. And then here's the outfit that I'll show you in that advertising. All right, you guys, I am finally back home. Whew, we did some shopping, boy. Anyway, so today for dinner from Factor, okay, I'll show you my lunch earlier. For dinner, I'm gonna do the roasted garlic chicken, and it comes with green beans, sour cream, and onion smashed potatoes, and it looks really good. And the cool thing about these meals, they're not frozen. They're fully cooked meals. Like, all you gotta do is warm them up for 2 minutes. So I'm gonna poke some holes in here. All right, you guys, here's the meal. It looks really good. And then, of course, I did a Caesar salad. So I'm gonna go ahead and dig in. All right, let's do a taste test on these, because the lunch was really good. That taco bowl that I had was really good. So let's try the green beans. It was good. I put some of the leftover sauce from earlier. All right, let's try this chicken with the potatoes. That's good too. That's really good. And you guys, this meal is only 420 calories. So yeah, really good. All right, you guys, so I just finished getting my hair rebraided. I did a maintenance braid refresher. My hair braider does maintenance rebraids. So basically you take out half of your braids and she rebraids them for you. Of course, you know, once you take out your braids, you wash and decondition and all that stuff. But yeah, they look so good. So I'm probably gonna keep this in for another month and a half. And then I'm going back to her and I'm probably gonna get a sew-in, but they look so good. I feel like a brand new woman. I'm so excited. So yeah.